Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can mute a post of someone who has appeared on your Threads newsfeed. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app. Now, tap on the three dots icon beside the post you want to mute. And then select the mute button. And that's it. This is how you can mute posts from someone that shows up on your Threads newsfeed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.